Hello friends, I got pretty close to the volcano, but as you see there is lots of smoke, and the closer you get it's all in smoke. But right now it's in smoke, but sometimes smoke clears up and then you can see the volcano, but right now it's just a smoke. Well, I'll take a drone flight now and see where the lava is going. The last section of this hike is not good because there is about 1 kilometer stretch of lava, and I didn't like to hike through it. So it's like 500 years old lava. Yeah, I need to find out the trails through some map to know exactly where to walk, because there are trails, and if you don't know the trails I don't recommend walking through that lava field. But here you are, pretty close to the volcano. This mountain is pretty nice point to observe it because there are no smokes on top of it. Here in the valleys there are smokes. 100% sure today the access to the volcano will be closed because there are simply enormous vegetation fires. As you see, it's all burning all over. Very much smoke. Really is like real wildfires here in the vicinity of the volcano. And as I suspected, if there is no rain it will be closed as long as the smokes are, and they're driven. They were going to be here for next days for sure until Friday, and Friday I think it's going to change the direction. You see, so one person there, and otherwise I don't see many people here around. Like, I saw just one person right now, and okay, now you can see the cone is kind of clearing up a little bit, but you'll see it from a drone, everything. At least you can hear the noise. It's pretty large cone now. It's growing super fast. The fat cone didn't grow that fast. It's just in 1 week we have this kind of pretty big mountain just out of nowhere, in the middle of the lowland. It's not yet reached the Litlihrutur size, but 1/3 of it. 1/3 of it already. So a lot of smoke, a lot of fires, and I don't think I will see from a drone better how is the situation closer to the volcano, but you can't come closer than 400 meters or something. It generates a lot of noise. Today is July 17th, 2023. I don't see any work going on right now in the morning, early morning, in attempts to extinguish those fires, and I don't see any rain next days neither. So it's not a friendly volcano as before because of the wildfires. Okay, now you see the cone better. Had to wait 4 minutes until we got a better look Okay, now it's, yeah, you can see it. Anyway, talk to you later, my friends. All the best. We are approaching Volcano from the east side, and this is how it looks. So terrain I have to walk, everything is burned, a lot of dust. No people here, as you see, because the eruption site is closed. Officially it's closed, so the trails from the south are closed because wind is driving the smoke south over the trail. It's definitely not healthy to stay a long time in those smokes. It can affect your lungs, so we don't stay here a long time. Just briefly and go back home. The mountain of fire. Eldfjall in Icelandic is volcano, and it means the mountain of fire, literally. Volcano in Icelandic is the mountain of fire. Hear the noise. Wow, this was a big jet. From here is about 450 meters, 400 meters maybe to the volcano. Different experience to be here in the morning. I've never been here in the morning like today. Slept in the evening, and then night I started for preparing for the hike and got here already after 3 o'clock. Maybe 4 it was here. I don't remember when I arrived, but the other hikers I was speaking to, they live here in Iceland. They hike it also from Seltun hot springs, and they told me that you can't come close to the volcano because there is a lot of smoke, and they meant that smoke. They didn't cross this smoke wall, but when you cross the smoke wall, it's like last time, the same thing. You can come like 300 meters. Like I am now maybe 300 meters. Sorry. Volcano today. All the best to you. Greetings from Iceland.